Hi, I'm Deborah from South Essex Slings. I'm going to show you how to use the Limas baby carrier. There they are, Limas baby carriers. This is a half buckle, so it's got a buckle waistband and tie-up shoulder straps. It's suitable from newborn up to probably 2.5 years. It's a really great little carrier. So with newborns, we have this adjustable Velcro on the waist. So I've shrink that in to shrink the width of the panel to fit my newborn dolly. And then I need to shrink the height of the panel as well. It's too long at the moment. So holding the waistband with the buckle facing away from me, I'm going to fold it in towards me. And then I can tie these little toggles through that little loop, and that holds that there. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't need to, but that can be tied there, and then turn it one more time and put it on, and you will have the fabric hanging away from you from the top of the waistband. So pop that on. Clip that up. Make sure the fabric's hanging nice and central on your front. Then get your baby. So holding your baby centrally on your front with their head up on the firm part of your chest, supporting their knees up higher than their bottom, keeping one hand on baby, coming with your other hand underneath the fabric and just making sure it's not caught on their toes either side, and bring that fabric up over baby's back. Your shoulder straps over your shoulders. And with the Limas, these padded sections are actually removable. So if you wanted to take these out when you have a newborn in there, because they may be a bit too bulky, you can just remove them, super easy. So you have the choice with the shoulder padding. Keeping one hand on baby, reach round behind you for the opposite strap and bring that down towards your bottom, nice and snug, and then round. And with a newborn, we'll go under their legs, holding that there. So I'm holding the fabric strap with one hand and just keeping one hand on baby as well. Reach round the back for the other strap, down towards your bottom, nice and snug, and then round under baby's other leg. You can tie in a double knot here if you want, or you can take them back round behind you and tie in a double knot there. So, safety checks. Can I see baby's airways clearly? Yes, I can. Baby's hands are up by their face and baby feels tight enough. I feel like I can let go and that baby is held nice and safe. I will just check that they've got a nice pelvic tilt, and I'm nice and comfy. I can spread these straps out a little bit over my back if I want and make myself a little bit more comfortable. But we are done and we are safe. To get baby back out again, undo the knot straps. And once you've undone that knot, you're now not safe anymore. So one hand back on baby and uncross your straps and pop baby down. Thank you.